In a world of challenges, Textile Connect, led by Maya, struggles to find reliable suppliers and customers. During a networking event, they learn about ibuyer.hk, intrigued by its promise of enhanced efficiency. As the team integrates the software, they face challenges, but also celebrate their successes. ibuyer.hk helps them find generous customers and connect with quality suppliers. Each character, including the tech-savvy intern, experiences personal growth through adaptation. The turning point arrives when a competitor tries to sabotage their biggest order. Maya utilizes ibuyer.hk's insights to secure a last-minute deal with a reliable vendor. The story concludes with a celebration, reflecting on their journey from struggling traders to industry leaders. They thank ibuyer.hk for empowering their connections and driving their success.